Welcome to another video tutorial, and in this particular video tutorial I want to show you how you can download the TikTok videos which are locked. That is what I mean by locked, those ones which have been prevented by the user from downloading. So the first thing, I want you to open your favorite browser like mine here from your favorite phone. I'm using the Firefox browser. Search for what we call save from net. So search that, and once you search for it, go to this particular site. Automatically the first one, they will tell you that you can download what you, as you can see, save from app, then continue with Firefox. I want you to download this app and install it. That is after you've installed it, I want you to go to TikTok. I'm going to use this one as a demonstration because it is the one I can lay my hands on so quickly. So ideally, when you want to download, if you press on this particular button, you could find a safe icon under here, but you can see that this one has got no that save option. So what you do, copy the link. Once you've copied the link, go to where you click on save from net. As you can see, it will open and it will ask you to paste that particular link which you've copied. So paste it there, and you can see that it will bring some ads. Just wait for those ads to they finish advertising, then we shall continue. So you can escape, you can just escape that and say you want to continue with ads. Once you continue with ads, you can see there is a green download button here. I want you to click on that particular green button and say that you have the options either to download that background music which is used by that user or the entire video. So I want you to just leave the option for video and click and press on download. As you can see here, the download has progressed. So let's wait for the download to be complete, then I will show you what to next. As you can see, the download is complete. So let me click on that, and as you can see, the video has been downloaded. So that is the brief way how you can simply download this particular videos which have been locked by the users and they don't allow you to download. So basically those are some of the TikTok hacks that I will be showing you as we progress along. So there you have your video, and you can now enjoy it. I thanks you for watching.